stuff in here. Everything just shoved in here. Oh gosh. So everything has to be cleaned up. I'm gonna switch the. Oh my god. Oh gosh. Koliko posla uvijek ima i sve radimo okolo kad je sve razbacano. Nije samo da čistimo, nego isto kad je previše ima puno stvari, sve kutije, sve je ubačeno i tako mi idemo kroz takve isto stvari. It's not that we just do house cleaning, just regular house cleaning. We do that too, but we also do like what's it, clutter, like in the closets, and go through things and like kind of throw things away, pack things nicely, like stuff like that. We just started doing that just like a while ago. Pa mi smo tek počeli to da radimo nekoliko dana prije. Prije nismo to radili, ali sada jesmo. Before we never used to do that, but now we do. Kad ima previše, treba da ima, let's say, ako nemate previše prostora, jel treba da se svugdje je bačeno i razbacano i kada imate jako malo kućet, imate mali prostor, ali imate previše stvari. Let's say when you have like a little bit like a small space. No. Oh.